So hello friends, myself and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical. Today I will tell you the specifications of IQOO U3. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future videos. The specifications of IQOO U3 are MediaTek Dimensity 800U 6.5 inches Full HD Plus display, 48 megapixel rear camera, 16 megapixel front camera, 90Hz fast refresh rate, 5000 mAh battery, 18 watt fast charging, IQOO UI 1.5 based on Android 10. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of IQOO U3. There are two storage variants of IQOO U3, 6GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 128GB. There are three color variants of IQOO U3, black color, rainbow color and white color. This is the front side of IQOO U3. This is the back side of IQOO U3. The expected launch date of IQOO U3 will be in the first or second week of January. In my opinion, the expected price of IQOO U3 should be below 16,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.